Andrew, so how will the Hurricane Beryl impact our day?
Right, we are seeing the rain and wind picking up already, especially out in deep East Texas, where we have seen winds gusting so far as high as about 35 miles per hour, which is the strength of about a tropical depression. Once you get over 38 miles per hour, that is tropical storm force wind gusts there. But here's the latest look at Beryl. Now it has been downgraded to a tropical storm. That happened at 10 o'clock this morning. So after making landfall as a Category 1 hurricane south and west of Houston, near Victoria and Port Lavaca, we are seeing this now weakening and lifting farther to the north. But as it lifts farther to the north, of course, it is approaching our area, and we are going to see that potential for some tropical storm wind gusts here over the next few hours. Currently, winds are at 70 miles per hour, and those strongest winds are right now going to be on the outer eye wall, which is over by the Woodlands right now, but will eventually be moving through deep East Texas. It will be a bit weaker, though, than 70 miles per hour. We could see sustained winds in deep East Texas between 35 and 45 miles per hour as the system moves on through, with the potential for a few wind gusts out in deep East Texas up to 60 miles per hour. Here's the latest look at live Viper radar. Now we do have a new severe thunderstorm warning that was just issued here from the National Weather Service out in Shreveport. Let me just go ahead and take a peek at that information. It's warned for 60-mile-per-hour winds and the chance of some small to medium-sized hail. It does have that tornado possible tag on it, so there's not tight enough rotation right now for a tornado warning, but there is enough at least broad rotation for a severe thunderstorm warning, tornado possible tag. But systems like this can spin up a tornado any second, so we are going to watch it closely, and it could only be a matter of time before it's upgraded to a tornado warning. We'll wait and see on that one. But there is a tornado warning just 2 hours south, which includes the city of Jasper and Kirby, and this is traveling to the north as well. Could impact San Augustine and Sabine counties here shortly. So this is something we'll also be tracking. And again, keep in mind that these tropical tornadoes oftentimes spin up really quickly and then they fade away just as quick as they develop. So we'll keep an eye on this, but right now it's just mostly heavy rain out there, but you can see the winds picking up, especially in our southwestern most areas. We have sustained winds in Crockett at 26 miles per hour right now, but the stronger winds are just off 2 hours south. So it is going to get a bit more windy here over the next few hours out in deep East Texas in particular. As we take a look at what we have for the wind gusts, now it's up to 36 miles per hour out in Crockett, which is just below tropical storm force wind gusts. The wind gust at the Angelina County Airport is up to 30 miles per hour. So pretty breezy out there, especially from Houston, Trinity, and Angelina counties right now. But we are going to see these winds pick up here as we head throughout the morning hours and into the afternoon. Now, in terms of rainfall totals, this is our greatest concern here. That is flash flooding. Looks to be the most likely severe weather threat that we see. We're looking at about 4 to 8 inches of rainfall within this red shaded area through tonight, from Mount Pleasant down to Jacksonville, Alto, Crockett, and the Trinity area. That's where we will see the greatest amounts of rain, with generally lower amounts the farther west you go across the area, closer to the Metroplex, and generally less amounts closer to the Louisiana state line you get out there, where those spots will pick up about 2 to 4 inches of rain. Now, in terms of the rainfall totals that we've seen over the last 24 hours, keep in mind that some of this includes the thunderstorms that we saw yesterday, but Lufkin, the Angelina County Airport, has already picked up 2.15 inches of rain so far, with more heavier rain falling at this moment. So far, Lufkin's the big winner here with the rainfall, and we are going to only see these numbers add up here over the next few hours. Like I mentioned, about 4 to 8 inches of rain can be expected within a large part of our area. Now, again, like I said, the flash flooding threat is going to be our greatest concern here. We are under a level 3 out of 4 threat for flash flooding. Remember, if you come across a flooded roadway, to turn around, don't drown. Never try to cross one. You don't know how deep the water is, and you don't know if the road has been washed out underneath you. Now, we talked about severe weather earlier. We do have a tornado watch in effect. Now, this goes until 10 o'clock tonight. That's a pretty long tornado watch. I don't think our entire area is going to be under the watch for this entire time, but certainly over the next few hours, the tornado threat will be increasing out there, so make sure to stay weather aware and have multiple ways of receiving weather alerts out there. Again, tornado watch, for the counties that are in the red, which means conditions are favorable for tornadic showers or thunderstorms, but right now we're not seeing any imminent threat of one. The greatest threat of a tornado today will be in our easternmost areas, closer to the Louisiana state line. It includes Marshall, Center, Carthage, down to San Augustine and Hemphill. Those areas in particular will have the strongest outer bands moving through. The greatest instability will be in those areas because there may be actually some breaks in the cloud cover that could lead to some sunshine, some peaks of sunshine within the yellow shaded area, and that could only add on to that instability out there. So that's something we'll be watching for closely. To recap the forecast for today, though, we are going to see that heavy rain picking up from south to north over the rest of this afternoon. Tropical storm force wind gusts will also increase from the south to the north as we head throughout the day today. Winds could gust as high as about 50 miles per hour for the most part out there, but could be as high as 60 miles per hour out in deep east Texas. For tonight, rain mainly for the first half of the overnight hours, but conditions gradually improve as we head into the afternoon. And then as we take a look at your 7-day forecast now, we are going to see us dry out for the day on Tuesday, but we are going to still see breezy conditions with a wind gust up to about 30 miles per hour for our day tomorrow. We are going to see lots of sunshine Wednesday through Friday with temperatures warming back up, with a chance of isolated thunderstorms returning on Saturday. And then for deep east Texas, it's more of the same. Look for that chance of rain for our day today, tapering off through the middle part of the week with more showers and storms returning Thursday, Friday. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website. That is KETK.com.